Hello, thank you for tuning in today. My name is Cody, and today we'll be discussing the process of recording an expense in Construction Online. Now, to record an expense in Construction Online, we need to access the OnCost Purchasing feature, which can be done from one or two locations. We can do that from the Company Overview, the Financial section, and then clicking into Purchasing. Then once the Purchasing tab has been opened, we can then move over to the Expenses and Receipts, and from here we can create an expense at the company level. The other option is to do so from within a project itself. So to do that, I will access a project on the left-hand sidebar, click into Financials, Purchasing, and then I'll click into the Expenses and Receipts. Now, once we are here, now we can begin the process of recording an expense in Construction Online. Expenses can be used to record things such as labor, equipment maintenance, and things of that nature. Things that are more company costs that are going to be accrued within the company. We can use expenses to kind of input that information into the system. Now to begin, I'll just hit Create New, choose Expense from the drop-down, and then from there, we would just give the expense a title. This is going to be the identifier to what this expense is. And then we can either choose to just include this item or this expense as a lump sum by turning off the itemized expense, in which I can put a total value in, or I can do it through a detailed expense report here, where I can type in each individual line item, apply quantity to them, apply unit cost, and then also include a tax rate as well. Now for this one, I'm just going to do a lump sum expense report here. Then below that, I can include the sub or vendor that this expense goes to. Now, if we're wanting to detail the exact site supervisor that this expense report is going to go against, I would just choose from the sub/vendor list, which is going to pull my entire contact list, and apply that user there. I can then also include the status of this expense, whether it be new, pending, or completed. I also have the space to include any notes, any tags that I'd like to include, and associated trade. And then we can finally include any additional attachments that we would want to have associated with this expense. Once I am happy with the information that I have put here, I would just hit save, and that expense would join my expense and receipts list in the dynamic table below. Now that concludes today's tutorial. If you have any additional questions, feel free to reach out using the live chat or by searching the knowledge base. And as always, have a fantastic day.